Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye B TV. So today I am doing the I Try to Follow Blanks makeup tutorial. I was going to do like Patrick Star or Jackie Aina, but I decided to do someone who was Sudanese like me and also of darker skin. So I decided to do Nyma Tang. And I'm basically going to follow one of her makeup tutorials. I just found one that includes the Bhcosmetics, aka Bhcosmetics with It's My Ray Ray, It's My Ray Ray collab. So I'm gonna do that video. I haven't seen hers yet, so I don't know like what all it entails, how she does it. But I did my eyebrows just so I can get that out of the way. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And before you guys get started, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join the family. And also leave me hearts. Like I said, I love hearts. Leave me hearts in the comment section. Or you can always Snapchat me and send me those hearts too. If you haven't followed me on Snapchat, go do that now. I'm on there always doing random stuff. But other than that, let's just get started on this video. She doesn't look like she has her eyebrows done in this video. So, yet anyways. So I'm gonna probably fast forward that part. She's concealing her eyelids, so I'm gonna do that. So she is using Tiffany, Sunset, and Angel. That's an interesting combo because I have not touched those colors at all. And did she mix them?
It's not necessary.
Purple, which is Connie. So like right here.
Some.
Me and colors, whoa. So I'm gonna make mine a little bit more because her eyes are a little different shapely. They're shaped different than mine. So I'm gonna call it that and get the other eye as well. Okay, and she's gonna take Allison.
And I'm just gonna pop
that right here. I feel like it's so much easier to like do your own makeup tutorial than to follow someone else's, because when you do your own, you can freeball it and it can turn out like however you want. But when you're like following someone else's, it's like you're kind of, well, especially when you're like really following it like we're doing now. Okay, and then she's going back into the purple and just kind of darkening it. Kind of like a little halo. Okay, and now she's doing her eyeliner, and I'm gonna use this eyeliner by e.l.f. Let's see how she does her eyeliner. Okay, so she just kind of like outlines the eye part, not like anywhere else. So let's do that. Okay, and now she's taking Allison and putting that in her brow bone. And she put that like right. Oh boy. Fenty Beauty in the shade 480. I haven't used Fenty in a minute.
The NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. Okay. So I've got my foundation on. Probably already said what I mixed, but I mixed the Fenty Beauty with the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I really like this.
She mixed hers.
Fenty Beauty dries down pretty dry.
But I'm just gonna go
put powder. And the NYX is really radiant foundation. So it's a good mix in between. So that way I don't have to powder my face completely afterwards. I am going. Okay, so I've got my foundation on. Probably already said what I mixed. But I mixed the Fenty Beauty with the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I really like this because Fenty Beauty dries down pretty dry, so you don't have to put powder. And the NYX is a really radiant foundation, so it's a good mix in between, so that way I don't have to powder my face completely afterwards. I'm going to go in with one of the concealers that I've been using religiously, probably since it came out, which is to go in with one of the concealers that I've been using religiously.
Okay, so I don't have the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, so I'm gonna use LA Girl.
I did buy the Canon concealers. I was able to get them while I was traveling. Honestly, I'm
okay,
a
so
nervous.
she
I don't know if I'm completely convinced about doing them.
Here.
I feel like there's always
it's like doing like tribal math or something. And
but I did get it because a lot of people were asking if I was going to be reviewing it.
And
I do have them. I did get them. I mean, they are coming.
Here.
So if it's something that you guys really want to see, that's fine. I already do have the Urban Decay concealers, which is going to be the next video.
Laura Mercier to do that, and she used her, her Fenty brush. I'm just gonna use
video of mine.
this other
I
one.
haven't been able to put it down.
This one just comes on so
really beautifully.
brown sometimes, but I don't like it.
This powder, I don't know what it is about this powder. It just really.
This is really not the right brush, but you know what? We don't care.
Next, I'm going in with that same contour shape. I feel like it's not too harsh.
Okay, so she's contouring her face using, I think it's NYX, and I'm gonna use it's my Rare palette because the shade Brownie is a really good contour color, so I'm gonna use that as a contour color.
Back into that shade Friday. I'm going into the shade Connie. Okay, now it's time for highlights. So I don't think I'm gonna use Brownie Bite to contour with. It's too light for my skin tone. I'm gonna try French Toast here. I'm gonna get French Toast on both. So that's French toast. It's actually really pretty. And then
yeah, I'm gonna use ColourPop, LAX, and NYX Lingerie, just to be a little different.
this is the look with the, it's my Ray Ray palette. The shade Honey, which is that purple shade right here, it kept blending out a little bit deeper than I expected it to. I still like the way the shade came out.
Okay guys, so this is the final look, and I followed her makeup tutorial for like 90% of it at least. So what do you guys think? Did I do a good job? Was I close? Let me know. I think I did a pretty good job of following her makeup tutorials. So if you guys like this, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and leave me hearts, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, till next time, see you guys, bye.